Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So you probably already seen a couple of videos with like me wearing this outfit and everything, but yeah, today I've had the chance and I decided to just do as many videos or quick videos as I could. I've done 2 so far. This is my 3rd. Probably will be the last today, yeah, because I still gotta have a lot of other stuff I want to do. But I just thought I'd give you a little quick DIY on my centerpieces I'm doing for my baby shower. It'll be like today's Monday, baby shower's this coming Saturday, so I'm already done with the vase part, which is what takes the longest, but I had some extras, so I thought I'd show you just a quick little like how to do it. So basically it's these Starbucks Frappuccino cups or glasses. So all you have to do is like let's see, I have some things. Well, that's not gonna work. You just need to cut this off. Let me see if I can find a knife real quick. No knife, but I got the scissors. So you just gotta cut off the little, like remove the tags pretty much of the Starbucks, like the logos and everything. So that comes off fast and easy, and this one is like a sticky one, so that one you just gotta like peel off. But they're still pretty easy to take off. And you don't have to worry about the sticky like residue because it'll be painted on top. Alright, so I took everything off, and it still has a little sticky, but it's fine, like you're gonna cover it. So basically what I'm using is this paint of any sort, glitter, and Mod Podge. And this is the gloss one. I'm pretty sure you can use any other ones, but this is what my husband's grandma had. We asked her to use it, and she gave us that one, so that one worked out perfectly fine. So after we've just rinsed these out, and I have paint. You can use any paint, I'm pretty sure, but since we were doing the nursery, we had a bunch of samples for the wall, and I decided to use one of those samples, and that's what I did pretty much all the vases I did with the paint samples that I got, because I'm like, those are just gonna kind of go to waste. I want to use them for something, and this I just thought about it. I'm like, oh, I want to try and use it. So pretty much you just paint the whole thing. That's what I did anyways. So one layer. So that one was pretty much done. You can do it all the way to the top, but I did that at the very end just because that way I can have something to hold on to it from there. So I didn't do the bottom either. I did it for some, but not all of them, so I just did that. So now I just gotta let the first layer dry, and it doesn't have to be perfect because you're gonna go in with the second layer, and that's gonna be the more important layer. So this one I just left. There's a little, like, if you want to, like, just kind of keep doing it as much as you want, but it's the first layer, so it doesn't really like matter, you know, just as long as it gets coated. So I'm gonna let it sit and dry. So while that first layer of paint dries, I'm gonna show you what like the flowers itself are gonna look like. So again, I went to my King Dollar that I have in my area, and I bought a bunch, like a little bunch of this, and a bunch of the foam roses and the carnations. So all I do is like, well, these I gotta cut them off, and I have little, what is it, like wire cutters, so just cut them off at the very, as long as you can. Alright, so I got all my carnations cut. Those come in a bunch of 6, so they're like 6 per little bunch, and then these you just gotta cut off this little tie thing, or the little tag, and they're like, you don't have to cut them off or anything, you just gotta pull them apart. Oops, this one is really So you just pull one off and then get a carnation. You can pull this all the way to the top, like the leaves, and then all you do, basically, like really all I did anyways, you just grab them together, and this one's like really bendy, so you put him, you just like wrap it around all the way, and then you do to whatever size, like the base. So I gotta wait, or I just kind of measured it, and then like whatever's left over of the bendy one, I just did that, and then you just put this in the vase. That's pretty much all for that. Like, that's really all I put. You can add like 1 or 2 of these. I just did a bunch of these, and at first I was thinking about doing 2 in one vase, but I feel like it kind of overcrowds it, so I just did the one pair of flowers per vase, and you'll see how it looks at the end. Alright, so I think the bottle dried enough now. Yeah, it's pretty dry now. So it looks like that. But now this is going to be the important part. Alright, so this time you're gonna, do the same thing pretty much, just like everywhere. So the important part here, once you get the layer, you gotta make sure everything is really like still wet. So I just went over it like really fast after I did like a good second layer, and then you're gonna grab the glitter of your choice, and then you're just gonna sprinkle it over all over. It's kind of hard to see this way. Alright, so I had to adjust the camera a little bit, but it's still pretty wet. Alright, so just keep putting glitter all over it while it's still wet. Make sure you have something to catch all the glitter. I have a paper plate at the bottom of mine. And you kind of got to work fast on this because you don't want the paint to dry too much before, so the glitter can stick to it while it's still wet. I'm sorry if the camera's shaking a lot. I have my son holding it because in the position it's in, the tripod would tip over, because I'm trying to angle the camera down too so you can see what I'm doing. Alright, so that's pretty much what it looks like. So like I said, you have to work pretty fast so you can get as much glitter on there before the paint starts drying. And I mean, I pretty much got it all. You know, it looks so pretty. And then once, I usually let it dry overnight, and then I paint the tip with the same color but without any glitter. And also after letting it dry, I go ahead and add a layer of Mod Podge after it's completely dry. So I usually let it, like I said, let it dry overnight. And after the Mod Podge, all it does is pretty much prevent the glitter from coming off on your hand, because if you just leave it like that and you grab it, it's gonna have glitter everywhere. So Mod Podge protects it, and this is what it will look like at the very end. So from here to here, yeah, I mean, it does take away from the shine, I guess, but it'll protect everything from getting so much glitter. I gotta protect like from the glitter spreading everywhere, and it still looks really nice like that, see? And then the little like top, I just did a little layer of it, so this is how it'll end up after it's done. And then going back to the flower, this is what it looks like. So then after everything's done, you just stick it in there, and that's what it's gonna look like. And that's pretty much it. At one point I had done like a little ribbon and a little bow, and I attached it, but I ran out of ribbon, so I decided not to do it for any of them. And so I just decided to leave it like that, and to me it looks cute, just simple. But if you do want to add more flowers to it, or make it a little bit like taller, because this one sinks all the way in, but if you want to make it taller, just adjust a little this thingy and make it like bigger, like that. And it goes up higher, but I don't like that one like that much, so maybe somewhere in between. So like that, yeah, that one's better, like that. Or if you want to add double, like more flowers, so if you want to put like double, you just do the 2 like that, and then it just makes it look more like nicer and fuller. But I just did 1 pair per base. I just did 1 pair. It looks nice like that actually, but I think just the 1 pair by itself is good enough for us. So that's cute enough. Look, see, just something simple, you know, because I'm gonna have like 3 of these per table, so it's fine. Alright, so yeah, you can add more stuff if you want to, but I mean, I just wanted something fast, easy, and simple, and this is really cute. And I mean, it's inexpensive too, because oh, well, I don't know, for me it was because my family members had everything, and I had the paint already that I had purchased, the sample from, that one's from Lowe's, yeah. And then the glitter, we got some from both my husband's grandma and my mother-in-law, so we had that. And the Mod Podge we got from my husband's grandma as well. So everything was pretty much from the family. But I mean, still, it's not that expensive, especially if you like Starbucks drinks and you like get a case. Just drink them up, rinse them out, and start your projects. So it's a pretty simple, easy DIY. And yeah, that's it on that. So let me know if you like these type of videos, and I'll try to do more DIYs, especially now with the baby girl coming. I feel like I can paint and go crazy with painting stuff pink, so I feel like it'd be easy DIYs that I could do with that. But yeah, if you like that, let me know. And if you've watched this far, go ahead and subscribe if you aren't already. I'd like to have you here. And there's more baby content coming on the way, because I'm gonna be, well, I don't know when this video will go up, but I'm close to 37 weeks now, so baby girl's coming pretty fast. And so there will be more like what's in my hospital bag, the diaper bag, and I'm gonna try and do like a birth vlog and all that. So yeah, if you're interested in that stuff, just subscribe and turn on the notifications, and I'll keep you posted. Alright, so thank you for watching, and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!